but it looks like Stormy. Whoa, but it looks like Stormy.
Caught your old boy slipping, late night, click clack, put a big hole in his fit cap. Snitch rat, yeah man. You know I had to fix that. Sabrina with the beamer was screaming, gave a bitch slap. Mind your fucking business, you hear me? Before you get clapped. Dipping through the alley, no time for the chit chat. 1882s with a bruise, six pack that I grabbed from 7-Eleven. About to kick back, the mom paid me off for that hit. 106 stacks. Benny from the Bronx was informant, up in Quint Max. Since he came home, I've been at him, turning pitch black, like in Goodfellas when Tommy had to get whacked. Sam G and Connor the boss, filthy rich cat. Nah, this dude you don't wanna cross, can't forget that. Find your body dumped in the river, month of December. Cement on your shoes, you tripping, fucking with killers. Pebble Beach line, no flukes. Art Deco coupes, plug talking chicken, sipping demi-second fruit. Persuet, Rose Dom, corporate mergers with low-key associates in Shanghai and Budapest. Versace wear from Istanbul, sweater 6 bands wore. Flawless diamonds for the rich man jewels. Lamb and Lebanese salads at the most tempting cuisines. Accommodations exclusive indeed. Intimate, refined, dining glass landings, panties and starters for radiots, colored mayonnaise and marble. Palmatella threads is insane, Salvaro is the same. Traffic and blow, getting dough in my veins. Next level luxury, unique exotic retreats. Connects is marvelous, regardless I eat. What's understood need no explanation, never mistake this. Shoes of a boss meet high expectations.
But it looks like Stormy. Whoa. But it looks like Stormy. Whoa. But it looks like Stormy. Whoa. But it looks like Stormy. But it looks like Stormy.